video on the Tesa Micro-Hite 3D. Quick look around the machine. Here's the serial tag. This is a demo of the Tesa Micro-Hite 3D and the control power on. And there it's ready to work. This will be the functional demonstration of the Tesa Micro-Hite 3D. I have the control is on and ready to take readings. Machine is ready here. Go to move it. So I will take a reading of a plane here. Off. And now I am going to select relative to that plane. And now I'm going to measure the height of this 4-inch gauge block here. And we can see here, the 4-inch gauge block measures pretty close.